Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can mirror your iPhone screen to Mac. First, you have to grab a lightning cable, then plug it in your Mac and then connect it to your iPhone. After connecting to your iPhone, then open QuickTime Player in your Mac. Now click on File, then click on New Movie Recording. Here you have to select your iPhone instead of your Mac's camera. As you can see here, you're mirroring your iPhone's display on Mac. You can even mirror your photos on Mac. If you are playing games and want to see it on a big display, you can also do that by using this method. So that's it, guys, for today. If you want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.